guys! Welcome back to Maine Cooks. For today, we will cook chicken biryani Filipino style. So it is requested by Mr. Dimar. Shout out to you. I will do my best to cook this dish and I hope you like it. Guys, tip lang sa kitchen, mag-stock kayo ng spices and herbs kasi malaki ang tulong nito sa flavoring ng inyong dish. Hindi naman kailangan isang bultuhan na bili. Like when you go out, when you go to grocery store, bumili kayo kahit pa isa-isang sachet lang and it just cost 20 pesos. Guys, yung biryani version na ito is ginamit ko lang yung mga spices and herbs na meron ako sa kitchen ko. And actually, I will not be using Basmati rice for this recipe but I'm using our regular rice at home, dinorado. Ating chicken biryani Filipino style na kukunan dito kayo sa bahay, sobrang bango. I'm so excited to try this kasi it's my first time to cook Indian food and I hope you can try this recipe, guys. For watching, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell for my exciting recipes.